What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Onyxcoin, or XCN, which is down 9.7% today at 1.6 cents. We have a $548 million market cap, 32 billion coins in circulation out of 48. Overall, the chart's looking pretty good. I know 9.7% down, nobody likes, but overall, once we get into the technical analysis, you'll see the promising future for this coin. Now, all-time high is 18 cents. All-time low is a year ago at 0.0007. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Onyxcoin. All right, everybody, let's get into Onyxcoin here. We're at the day chart. The day chart's still looking pretty good. And we actually had a nice bounce from the bottom here on February 28th, and we did break out of our downtrend. We still are out of our downtrend right now, even though we had a retracement. We're actually back testing the downtrend as support as we're speaking. So this is the test, guys. This is the area that we need to bounce from for on XCN Onyxcoin. If we get a nice bounce off this 16 cents area, that's to confirm the breakout. Similar situation to right here to that next leg to the upside. The great part is indicators on the day chart are looking fantastic. You've been losing your bearish momentum since February 12th of 2025. This thing's getting ready to cross over bullish, which is great. The other thing that's really good is the RSI. The RSI put in a higher high, and the overall momentum is pushing to the upside. So this downtrend that we've been experiencing since January is officially in a trend reversal right now. We officially aren't going down on the RSI. Now we're putting in higher highs, which is indicative of a trend reversal. On top of that, we have the WTX, nice bottom right here, putting in a higher high as well. So there's a lot of indicators right now that are showing that the bottom is in on XCN. Even the stock RSI, the big one for me, we still are running hard on the stock RSI. You can see 74 continuing to run to the upside there. So the day chart on XCN is looking fantastic. Now, 4-hour time frame, similar situation. You can see the support more closely now that we're at a short-term time frame. We're testing it as support right now. So 16 cents has to hold for XCN. If we get a bounce off of here, that's going to confirm that breakout for us. So what a normal breakout is you break out of the downtrend, you back test as support. If the support holds, that's when you start seeing some very, very volatile movement to the upside, which we're hoping for here for XCN. Unfortunately, on the short-term time frame, your MACD is losing its bullish momentum, working towards that crossover. We don't want the blue to fall below the orange right here, so we're going to be keeping a close eye on this convergence that's going to be taking place on the short term. Similar situation, we have the RSI, which is also starting to fall on the short term. And if we draw an uptrend, I guess this isn't really valid. If we draw the uptrend support and we just fudge it a little bit, you can see that we are kind of at a support area right here. So hopefully this confirms that support bounce off of this prior resistance flip support. And then on top of that, you have the stock RSI in the short term, which is actually falling right now, blue below orange. So hopefully that starts reversing here pretty soon. But I really don't take too much weight on the 4-hour. I more rely on the day chart and the 3-day chart. 3-day chart's actually looking really, really good, guys. The stock RSI is completely reset. We're at a bottom there on the 3-day. If I draw a horizontal line where we're currently at on the stock, you can see in the past going all the way back to the beginning of time, right? Beginning of time back to 2022. This is an area that we bounce off of. We've never broken below this negative 0.6 before. And every time we've gotten a decent sized rally off of this, we've gone pretty volatile to the upside from that point on. We haven't gone like up, down, up, down, up, down. It's usually once we touch the bottom, you see a really, really nice rally to the upside. So hopefully that's going to be playing out there for XCN. But overall, man, it's do or die. Hopefully we get that bounce here. The day chart's actually looking really, really good. If not financial advice, this is that buy fear sell greed scenario. This is what the definition is for. You either going to bounce off the support, or this would be a bullish fake out and we're going to fall back in here. But overall, the day chart actually was looking pretty solid. And like I mentioned on the 4-hour chart, you can see it actually just spawned in right now. We actually got a green candle off that resistance flip support. So fingers crossed, guys, that is the confirmation of that prior resistance flip and support, and then we can start rallying higher to the upside. And if we did start pushing higher to the upside, the next resistance would be at about 2.4 cents, and then you have the 786 at about 3.5 cents, and then you go all the way up here to 8 cents, and then you start flirting with your all-time highs at the 1618. So hopefully this is the confirmation we've been looking for. And with a small market cap of 548 million, this coin can easily run. I've mentioned it several times. I think it's easily going to smash through its all-time highs. So let's just gear up and get ready for something like this, hopefully, fingers crossed. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.